everybody, it's me, Rachel from the T on Realty. I just wanted to welcome and pop in and say hey to everybody. I know it's been a minute since I checked in. I'm glad for the ones that have been re-downloading and listening to the podcast, because the information is very, very awesome that we're providing with the T on Realty. We've gotten started with our workshops here in the local area at the libraries. So go on our website, www.thetonrealty.org, and check on and see when we're having our next website. Reach out to us at info@thetonrealty.org to find out when we're having our next home buyers workshop. These workshops are free, guys, so share with all of your friends, letting them know that we have started our in-person home buyers and sellers workshops that we're doing in the community. We have some things also that we're also doing in the community, as well as doing some fundraisers. So look out for those fundraisers that we're going to be having coming up real soon. Another thing that we're going to be doing, and we're very excited about doing, is some awesome raffles. So stay tuned for those raffles. They're going to be coming up. We're going to be having some amazing items that I just know that for myself I would love them. But of course, I'm exempt. I can't even apply for the raffle. I can't even enter for the raffle. But we just wanted to pop in and let you know that we are going to be doing some raffles every month. We're going to try to do them sometimes twice a month. So just keep following us here on all our social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, here on YouTube at the T on Realty, because you got to check out the items that we're having for our raffles, and come follow us and find out where we're going to be doing fundraisers in the community at your local parks. So come out and support us, donate something and get a nice food item or whatever the case may be, or we might have a live raffle while we're hosting our fundraiser in the community. So you definitely want to be wherever we are in the community. So we look forward to seeing you. I look forward to seeing you personally. I look forward to you sharing your information to anyone who's interested in learning the process on purchasing a home. Definitely always have them reach out to us, info@thetonrealty.org, so they can find out what they need to do, where they are in the process as far as getting knowledge to buy a home. We are not a broker, so we can't help you with a transaction, but we can tell you and advise you and help you the best way that you should, so you can be ready to make that purchase. So we just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Look out for our fundraisers that we're going to be having in the local communities. Also, look out for those raffles so you can find out how you can get your raffle ticket and things of that nature. So I just want to pop in and say, hey, thank you once again. See you later.